Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video I am going to do a fruit juice vlog. Before I go into the video, I just want to say a big thanks to you guys for supporting my channel. I must say thanks to you guys, very much appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Roots Girl channel. It's rootsy over here, so please to share the video. So I'm going to show you guys my fruits that I have here. I pick up some mango from outside. It has been raining all morning, so I went outside to get my mangoes. So this is my passion fruit that I got from my neighbor, and my pineapple, Mammee. Yeah, I think I said a fruit and named Mammee. So I'm going to show you my mangoes, and these are the mangoes. Airy. But like the pine is here too long. Hey, you know all that. I have them long enough because I want to do a video with the fruits them. Every day I say me I go do one video and me just couldn't bother. So today I finally decide to do it. So I guess that's the reason the fruits them are not in their best. Even one of this is spoiled. I had two and one of it is spoiled because the bottom burst. I had to throw it away. So here is the pine and the mango. I have piece of ginger. I know the ginger is not going to be enough because I have to leave piece, but I am going to use the little that I have. Sometimes it is hard to come off the seed. Right now, I struggle to get off my seed. I got to put my wash in okay now. Yes. So this is the seed, people. Excuse me. See it tough and it brown. That's how tough it is. Passion fruit time. What the hell? Mommy. I am going to blend it 2 times. See all those seeds blend out? That's the passion. I'm gonna strain it out now, and when I'm finished I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, this is the passion and the Mammee, and this is the mango. I don't know if you can see the difference, even though both of them is yellow. The mango yellow, look more yellow. So I am going to taste both of them and let you guys know how they are tasting. I am going to see which one I prefer because I have never drank the pineapple with the mango. So I'm going to see how that go. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Roots Girl channel. And I am going to taste the juice to see which one I rather. So this is the passion and this is the mango pineapple. All right, so I'm going to taste this one first. This is good. So people, I rather the mango pineapple. The mango pineapple is really good. If you have never tried it, you can go ahead and give it a try. Please remember that mango season is soon over, so please make use of the mango. I am making use of these mango. Whether I eat them, make juice with them, I am having a jolly time with them. So peace out, stay blessed, and remember to share the video and subscribe.